this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Thank you so much for wandering into my channel. We're just going to have a great couple of minutes while I sit here and reorganize some stuff. Yeah, so how you guys been? What have you been up to? Chit chat, chit chat. Oh my gosh, it's Monday on the day I'm filming this, and I feel like it should be a whole week's worth of ish going on, but that's okay. We survived, and Monday becomes Tuesday, which comes Wednesday to Thursday, and we're back at Friday. Woo, back to Jen's Live, right? So I want to thank everybody so much for coming to my live Friday night, the 12 Lives of Christmas. We're having so much fun. This is just a reminder. Go over there, watch it, leave your comment, because Friday during this coming live, we will be doing a drawing for the first person out of 12 who will be open to the grand prize drawing. That will end right before Christmas. So, another reminder, taking care of business. Another reminder is, don't forget December's DPer of the month. Woo! Down below in the descriptions is the nomination form. Super excited. I'm putting together the prize for it. In the past, the prize packages have been a beautiful painting from Treasure Art Studio. We've had an accessory tray kit from Archer's Arts. We've had this most recent one was kind of another accessory kit. So it was sponsored by Unique KK's diamond painting pens. So you got a set of cover minders, a pen, a diamond painting pen, and then you had a cover minder magnetic travel box, and you the person received, instead of a vacuum cleaner, we switched it out because the person who won already had a drill picker-upper vacuum cleaner, the little green ladybug. So instead we traded out, and she got a mug with a diamond painting phrase on it. So and then we had Mystical Arts with Amy. We had one of her canvases. So we're just living it up, people. We'll see how it goes for December. I'm still working on what that prize will be. It's going to be exciting. The prize packages usually range between $25 to $35 in case I someday end up having to sponsor one myself. But you guys have been amazing. Community, loving each other, helping each other. I've been able to use the donated funds that come in specifically just for the Diamond Painter of the Month, and we've been able to continue to give out great prizes. So I am kind of partial to the Storm Sisters right now. Storm Sisters Studio, they have this cute kit. Let me show you here, where you get this little diamond painting pen holder. So adorable. And you get a pen with it. So they do have like this accessory kit, and also you would be getting cover minders and a diamond painting pen from Unique's KK Unique's diamond painting pen. So I'm thinking about this, but I'm not quite sure yet if this is where I'm going to land. If you have any ideas down below what you would like to see in Diamond Painter of the Month as a prize, feel free to comment down below. However, the comment box is also for something special that's going on in this video. So I'm super excited about that. So anyway, all the business out of the way. I was chit-chatting on Rebecca's live, and this is like Drill-mageddon. Okay, so I purchased this. This is the one I'm kind of doing on my live. I purchased this in not December, but like July, August 2018. So a year and a half ago, and the drills are from Huacan, and the drills are popping non-stop. However, as a therapist, I don't give up on people, and I don't know why, but I'm not giving up on this painting. Excuse me. I won't edit that out. It takes too long to edit. So, thank you for all the bless yous. Okay. So, anyway, this is a penguin. I'm just going to place a couple drills while I'm speaking and talking with you guys. And we'll see how it goes. Okay. So, I loved the game show Deal or No Deal. Not Deal or No Deal. I'm sorry. Let's Make a Deal. Let's Make a Deal. It said it started in 1963, but when I was watching it, it was in the 80s when I was privy to it. And so today I was thinking, you know, it would be fun for all of us to do a deal or no deal experiment, right? But how would I do that? Okay, the premise of the show, you guys are all going to Google it now, aren't you? Go ahead, go Google it right now and just come back. It's okay, I'll wait, right? So, welcome back. So the premise of Let's Make a Deal is that there was this people in the audience dressed up in these crazy costumes, right? Superheroes, clowns, you know, big fluffy birds, you name it, they were dressed up in it, right? So then the host would go out into the audience and would ask people, he would stand there and he would ask people, does anybody have in their possession a red stick of gum or a cinnamon stick of gum? And people would like dig, and then they'd go, I do, and they'd jump up and down. And then he would pick somebody that fancied his, you know, boat, or yeah, I just totally mixed up word pictures there. Tickled his fancy, and he would then talk to that person and offer them a deal. Sometimes it's like, here is a crisp $100 bill. Sometimes it was, you know, Kathy, show them what's behind curtain number 1. Or they would bring a prize out, and that would be the prize for having a cinnamon stick of gum in their possession. Then, this is where the fun part kicks in. He would say, do you want to trade that for what's, you know, behind this door or this curtain? And he would give them options. Now, some people would have a couple trades. Some people would have, you know, only one trade. You never knew what was going on, right? Some people, he didn't even do the trade. He just let them have the $100 and he moved on. So it was always up in the air, and I just absolutely loved it. And so, I think what brought this on is I also love the Golden Girls, and so I was watching them the other night, and they were having something similar to this Deal or No Deal in one of their episodes. So I thought, I want to do something like this, and I want you guys to participate. And so I called it like a little experiment, because I wanted to see what you guys picked, okay? So, I want you guys to listen, and then at the end, I will share why I want you to pick from what I'm going to show you, okay? So, pay attention. So, I have this lovely bag, Now, I'm going to take the contents out of the bag and mail it to you. I got to keep the bag because I got Christmas people. And I need all the wrapping I can get. But this little bag is super cute. It says Jingle All the Way. It's got a little Christmas tree in it. There's something in this bag that is diamond painting related. So I'm going to call this bag number 1, okay, or item number 1. So if you would like, be thinking about, this is the bag, okay? So there is something diamond painted related. Whoop, don't peek. Oh, is it heavy? Is it not heavy? We don't know. But there's something diamond painted related in this bag, okay? I have this tin. And inside, again, I'm keeping the 10 because I'm going to mail what the insides are to you. But inside this tin is something diamond painted related. Okay, so you have Jingle All the Way bag. Okay, so you can say Jingle, bag 1. You can say Snowman tin, number 2, right? And then I have this bag. Plain, oh, no peeking. Plain Jane, okay? So in this bag is something diamond painted related as well, okay? Now, so this is Plain Jane number 3, okay? Now, what I'd like you guys to do is down below in the comments, I would like you to put which item, if you were playing Deal or No Deal, would you choose? Would you choose Jingle All the Way? Would you choose Snowman 10? Or would you choose Plain Jane? Okay? Now, what I plan on doing is let's see. I don't know, 1 to 2 weeks. I'm not going to let you know, just like in Deal or No Deal. Or I'm sorry, I'm giving a lot of good advertisement for that show. But just like in the Let's Make a Deal, you never know when I'm going to open or close that curtain, okay? So it's going to be basically whenever the anticipation, I can't handle it anymore. But you have between 1 to 2 weeks. And down below, make your comment. You can only comment for one item. And then what I am going to do is take all the people for bag number 1, all the people for tin number 2, and all the people for the 3rd item. They're each going to be in 3 different drawings. And I'm going to draw a name out of each one. And those winners will get to decide whether to keep what is in the bag or whether to trade for the final bag. So I'm going to have a final bag that they can trade for. Okay? Now, I will give you a hint. One of the bags, primo, I would definitely want the bag. Another bag, great diamond painting thing. I would not be disappointed if I won it. Free is free, right? 3rd bag, just like in Let's Make a Deal, is a dud. Okay? It's still diamond painted related. It's not used. I'm not going to send you used product. It's not like popping drills or anything like that. But it's going to be one of those things where you're going to be like, ah, man. Okay? So, you guys, just like in the show, have to figure out which one is going to be the fun item, which one would be the okay item, and which one is going to be the dud. Now, the final bag, I'm not going to tell you if it's going to be a dud or if it's going to be something good and you're trading up for. So, you know, what if you picked the item that was, oh, I didn't do this, but let's say there was a Diamond Art Club gift card. okay? I did not put any gift cards in there. Just telling you up front for these bags. But let's say you picked a bag and it was the Diamond Art Club gift card, and then you wanted to trade it, and I gave you the option to trade and you said yes, and the bag you traded for was washi tape, okay? So that's kind of an example. Or it could be opposite. You could have gotten like this roller, right? I did not put the roller in there, but let's say you had a roller, all right? And you decide that you want to go ahead and trade because, and you're not going to know there's a roller in there, okay? You're going to make the trade before you know. But we'll open both the bags at the same time. So let's say you had a roller in one bag, you didn't know it was, but you traded it. And by trading, you ended up getting in a Wizardy Art, you know, diamond, not pre-done. I'm not giving you Glen, people, sorry. But you ended up getting a Wizardy Arts charm to do for yourself, okay? So some people would consider that a trade up. Some people would consider that even. It's up to you, okay? So that's kind of how we're gonna do this. I have way too much stuff that I've accumulated over the past year and a half, and that's why I'm doing this, so that we can have fun and we can experiment and just see, you know, what psychologically, you know, I'm a therapist. I want to see what you guys think, and yeah. So on that accord, comment down below. You're gonna go with either Jingle All the Way or Bag 1. I'll know what you mean. You'll go with Snowman 10 or 10-2. I'll know what you mean. Or you'll go with Plain Jane or bag number 3. I'll know what you mean. Then what I'm going to do is take everybody from 1, everybody from 2, and everybody from 3. Have 3 separate drawings. The winner will know. We'll announce the winner. And then hopefully I will do it live. I will let you guys know because I want you to know I didn't switch anything out in the bags. We'll do it live. And hopefully the winners will be in chat for the live. And then they will get to, in real time, before we open anything, choose if they want to trade it in for Let's Make a Deal. So that's my little experiment. That's my little giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Oh, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, people. Thumbs up means more giveaways. So take care. Bye-bye.